What's up, y'all? Here to do an unboxing. Just picked this box up today from FedEx. Been waiting for this guy for a while. Let's open him up, see what it is. I ordered this guy last week, and because of the weather, I had to wait a couple extra days. But that's no big deal. But I'm really looking forward to seeing him. Wow. Deep pack, pretty warm. This is from Dynamic Hogs. Oh, he's so cute. Oh man. Look at this guy. I just saw him pick his head up. Oh man, here we go. How you doing? Oh my gosh, he's tiny. He is tiny. He was just born this year. And I thought he was a little bit older or bigger than this. This is a new breeder male I got for my Xanthic Conda hognose. And I'm growing her up right now. It'll be a couple years before she's ready to breed, but I wanted to get her a male. I already have a male, but it was the first hognose I ever bought, and I never had any plans of breeding. But now that I've really gotten into hognose snakes, I want to try my hand at breeding, and I wanted to breed exactly what I wanted to get the outcome that I wanted. And here we got, he's active. Let me move a little bit closer so you can see him. Still can't see him, huh? Alrighty, let's see. Oh, look at this pretty guy. We got, oh, he's so smooth. How you doing, little guy? Oh, he is so tiny. Here we got an albino Super Conda hognose snake. And this guy is gorgeous. Look at that extended center stripe he has right here on his head. This guy is gorgeous with his little red tongue. Oh, this guy is gorgeous. I'm gonna move the camera up a little bit, see if we can get a little bit of a better angle. Oh, this guy is good looking. It's okay. He's a little squirmy. I just got him out. He came all the way from Texas last night. And he is super gorgeous. Got those red eyes that all albinos have. Got that solid color belly that all condas and super condas have. But the Super Conda, this is my first Super Conda, and I've always wanted one, just because they're so cool looking with that head stamp but then the reduced body pattern or the eliminated body pattern. And this guy has an extended center stripe. And I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but he's got a faint stripe all the way back. Not like some have that more solid stripe going all the way back, but he's got a fainted stripe going back. But I really like that that extended stripe coming from his head stamp. But oh, he is super cute. He's super small too. I thought he was gonna be a little bit bigger, but I've got a home for him. Look at his tongue going wild. He's a little bit on edge from the flight and being in his new papa's hands. And if you know anything about hognose snakes, they're not constrictors, and they don't really hold on well. And you really got to make sure if they're crawling around your hands that they don't fall off. But this guy is gorgeous. This guy is gorgeous. Oh, look at that tail too. He is definitely a male. Let's see if we can get that tail in the picture. Front where his cloaca is at. But he's got a super long tail. He is definitely a male. Exactly what I was going for. But this guy is just super, super cute. Got so is this one? No. I did look at another one, and I think he was Arctic as well. But I've never been a huge Arctic fan. It's good looking. It's a good looking gene. But it's not really something that I care to have. But Super Conda and Albino. And when paired with my Conda Exanthic female in a couple years, we're going to be producing snows. And it's going to be cool. It's going to be a while. It's going to be a while. Definitely. But this guy is gorgeous. He's really, really pretty. And although I've never been a huge fan of the orange, reddish, yellowish colors of the albino hognose, I am a fan. He's trying to go hide. I am a fan of the snows. And since I have an Exanthic, this little guy will help me make some snows in a couple of years. And I'm not a big breeder. I'm not a breeder at all. I will try my hand at breeding once this guy and his girlfriend that I have comes of age. But just wanted to share this unboxing with you. He's arrived healthy and inquisitive, and so just really excited to have him. All right, that'll be it. I'm gonna put him back in his little container and get him ready to go into his new home. And you can bet we got some video. We'll have some more videos coming up, showing him off, showing him eating, showing him grow, giving him a name. He still doesn't have one, but this guy is gorgeous. So that'll be it for now. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit like and subscribe. I've never said that in any of my videos before, but seeing if we can get subscriber count up, maybe take YouTube a little bit more serious. Right now I just do it just to share my animals, and it's just enjoyable talking to other reptile keepers. But yeah, and that's what it'll always be. But if something happens where I can get some more subs and take it a little more serious, and I do it. But for now, just showing off the reptiles and how we keep them, how we care for them, how we love them. And that's a wrap.